So here's our truck. So which shape are you doing first, Marley? Oh, you're putting the shape in the front of the truck. Is this hexagon going to be driving the truck? Oh, what are we doing now? We're doing the circles. Marley's doing circles. Can you get the circle on? There we go. What about this circle? Can you say circle? Can you say circle? Oh, you're rolling the circle like a wheel. Look how you roll the circle. The circle's like a wheel. Oh, almost fell off. There we go, we've done all the circles. What's the next? Yay, what's the next shape?
No.
Oh, Daddy found it. There we go. What's the next shape? Do hexagons? Here's the hexagon. Red hexagon. Oh, you put the hexagon on the circle pile. Shouldn't we put it on the hexagon pile?
No.
Oh, we're stacking them all. Here's the pink hexagon. You're stacking them all on the same pile. Oh, it looks a bit dodgy. Do you want to fix it up so that it doesn't fall off? Put them. Oh, okay, we're going to put them on the right pile. I thought you were going to build a tower. So all the hexagons, we've got the pink, that's right, the red hexagons. Red hexagon. Blue circle. They don't go on that one.
No.
They stay on the circle. Which one next? Which shape next? Oh, you're doing the triangles. Can you say triangle?
No.
No. What about this triangle? What shape's that one that you're doing? Marley, do you know which shape this one is? Which shape's that one? Marley, do you know which shape this is?
No.
Yes, you do. What's this shape? Square. Square. You're sliding them under. You're sliding the shapes under your truck. That's very clever. What shape's this one? You know which shape that one is? Oh, now Marley's doing the triangles. Triangles. Are there any more triangles?
No.
You can do it. Just twist it around a bit. Keep trying. Twist it round. There you go. Try putting it on now. Beautiful. Any more triangles?
No.
There's one more triangle. And then what's the final shape? A square. You did it. You did it.
Yes.
What is it? Truck. What was that one? You finished?
Yeah.
Oh, we're all done.
No.
What would you like to do now?
No.
Trucks?
Yeah.
You like trucks, do you?
No.